Like, gusto mo niya mag-admin. Why? Ariel, thanks for following me. Paiza, thanks for following me. Thanks for ka na offline. 500 nakikita ko sa ano. Pero titikita yung one, si make admin. Sana pinunod. Kalma, din si Ryan. Guys. I said you, 3 kiss me. Oh, give me. And then I admin you. Ang sama. Next time. Okay, drop the kiss. It's sorry. Drop your kiss me now, and I admin you. Ano yun? Gusto lang yan. Gusto niya lang make admin drop 20k na yung drop na. No, you drop, not me. Antonio siya. You drop me. Not me. Sorry. Iba na ako. Okay. Mababa din ako. Hi, baby. Okay, guys. Are you hearing me? Wait, wait. Why? Okay. Lakas news na akin. Sana all. Hi! He drops first. Yeah. Drop first. Guys, bye-bye na guys. We're gonna offline. By the we're gonna play ML. Daddy show. Oh, we're gonna offline na. See you tomorrow. Ayan ko, show me. Okay, guys. Dami ko viewers. Misa, Krishna. Bye na guys. At we're gonna offline. Thank you again for coming my live. Bye-bye.